When you buy land from a company, definitely the first document you need is the real land title. Like I said in the first video, always make sure you are not going by a photocopy because you cannot know when the photocopy was made. So always demand for the real land title. You can go to the bank and before depositing money, you ask, I want to have a look at the title. I want to check it, verify it, look at the seal. So make sure you do not pay when there is no land title. If somebody tells you the land title is being processed or you'll wait for a year, please do not buy from that company. I am telling you because there are people that have waited for 5 years and they have never gotten titles because the companies told them they were processing land titles. The second document you need definitely is a transfer form. But this time, the transfer form must have a company's seal or a stamp. If you're buying from an individual, you just need a signature from the vendor. But this time, since it is a company, on the transfer form, you'll need the signature of the managing director, but also the company stamp or seal. If you bought land from a company and you go to the registry to transfer the title, and the transfer form does not have a stamp or a seal from that company, you'll be sent back. It will not be transferred. The third document you'll need is a certificate of incorporation. Remember, if it is an individual, you need the photo and the national ID for an individual. Those are the documents that identify an individual. But for a company, it is a certificate of registration. A certificate that shows that the company was registered. It has the registration number and the signature of the registrar from Uganda Registration Service Bureau and the other details. The land registry has ways of verifying whether that certificate is legit or not. That means when you buy from a property company, you do not necessarily need the national ID and the photo of the director unless for a special reason the registrar at the land registry requires them. But under normal circumstances, they are not needed. The certificate of incorporation is enough. The fourth document is needed only if the company selling to you the land is not registered as a property company. Remember, you are allowed to register land. You can transfer land to any company because the company is taken as a person. It is an individual, so it can do business. However, because this company is not registered to deal in real estate, it is for something else. When you're going to transfer land to this company, you need what we call a company resolution. The directors sit and make a document to show that you want to transfer land to the name of the company. Uganda Registration Services Bureau is the body that is mandated by law in Uganda to register all businesses and also other organizations. When you're transferring land to a company that is not a property company, you must register a resolution with URSB. In the same way, when you're selling land as a company, you'll make another resolution to show that as directors, you have agreed to sell that land. So if you buy land from a company that is not a property company, make sure they give you that kind of resolution because you'll need it when you're going to transfer that land.